know how to measure. So we're going to use one of these tools. You'll have a choice. You can use either the combination square, where you can make adjustments on this. You lay it on the straightest side of the wood, and then you can draw your straight line there. We have this as a choice. We also have wrapping squares, which are really easy for students to use, so I like them a lot. For the test, you will actually get a mark on a piece of wood. It may or may not be this long, and you'll get a little X. And then you'll be asked to draw the straight line, and then we'll go over to the machine. Okay? So we can do this. You lay it down, so everybody's got it. So I'll be watching you make your straight line. Make sure that you have a pencil, so if you make a mistake, you can. It's easier if you do this on the table. I just wanted to show you. So this has the same platform as the combination square. So the wrapper square is really a nice, easy way to do this. Any questions about using that? All right, let's go over to the machine. We'll crowd around that. So you need to be able to see this. If you can't see where my hand is, then you move out of the way. Okay. Come on over this way. I see people behind me. You really need to be over here. So while people are getting to a better spot, let's identify the parts. What's this? Blade adjustment? What?
Power switch.
Yeah. Power switch. What is located down in the back or the bottom?
Electrical box.
Electrical box, which has what? Motor vents. So you should have that on your list, right? What's this?
Table.
Table. What's this?
Base.
Base. What's this? Blade guard. Blade guard. You should not need to use the blade adjustment or the blade guard. If there's a problem with the machine, you would tell me. This is what's inside, so everyone knows. Okay, it's called, what kind of a saw? What kind of saw? Bandsaw. So it's an entire band. It goes all the way around. This is a small one. Anyone go into construction management? Yeah, you have the full-size floored models, and they're really nice. So we don't open these. If you open these, then what could happen?
Stop using it for the rest of the year.
Yeah, that could happen. Before that happens,
You get hurt.
you could get hurt. So I saw an injury where someone opened this up while it was running, and they lost part of their finger. They sewed it back on, so it was mostly okay. But just to let you know ahead of time, how many people like steak? Anyone like steak?
I do.
Ham steaks, T-bones, all those kind of things. So they use this type of machine with a food-grade stainless steel blade, and that's what cuts through the bone. So we don't take chances with this. If you're not going to do this correctly, then we don't need you using the machine. We have one more part right here. What's this?
The blade guard knob.
Blade guard knob. Watch what it does. So when I turn this, what's happening?
Brings it up.
Yeah, so it guides the blade, but it also acts as a guard. So this is going to go up and down. How far up do I set this?
As high as your wood.
As high as I what?
Your wood is.
As high as the wood. So if the wood is this high, I should just make it that high.
A little bit higher.
I think that was part of your safety rule.
Blade guard should be close but not touching the project.
Okay. So we want it to be close but not touching. According to this, it's 1/8 inch. So this is always going to be there if you forget. Okay. Make sure that you look at that. When you do your homework, you'll find 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch is acceptable. So we are going to do that. When you get over here for the test, I'm going to ask you to set it, and then I'm going to measure it. So can you hand me the small combination square? The combination. Pass it along. So I'll actually measure, so if it's not set up properly, then I'll give it back to you and you'll have to fix that. We have this addition, what's it called? I don't know. It's called a fence, it's not on your list. And this is what you're going to use to hold the material before you push it through the saw. So we're going to line it up, stand in front, and then we're set. So for the test, you would tell me you were set, and then we'd go, right? Am I set? Am I missing anything?
Your hair's down.
Yes! Am I missing anything else? Things. Anything else? I got all the rooms all together. Are we good?
Yep.
Okay. All right, so you start. What do you notice? It's still run. The wood's fine, but you are not removing the piece of wood until the blade stops. Okay? Any questions? If you're using small pieces of wood that we can't use a fence, you'd use a combination of push sticks, different styles. All right? At the end, you'll actually put the guard back down. Any questions? All right, so this is what you need for the bandsaw test.